Hi guys, so welcome to the another video of my channel, Leonelle's channel, and yes, so this is my vending machine, and yeah, before to this vending machine, show my vending machine. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, down below, and yeah. So please watch my other videos. So it's one. Just it's a slime, so don't forget to watch my another channel. So that is one is not updated because I don't like to just use that. Yeah, so just watch my videos in there. So I make a slime in there. This I'm gonna show you in my another video just soon as possible. And yeah guys, so let's get started to this vending machine. So yeah guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Yeah, just don't forget. So this is the side of my vending machine. Oh, you see that, just not whole thing because I have no tape, so I cannot tape this thing. So yeah, just you see that it's okay, because I will recommend to see this thing. So it has a hole in here, so don't mind it. So I'm gonna name it these four things. Oh, we got a toy in here. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you my toy in here. So this is my toy. Yeah, so this is in here, always in here, just to just to yeah guys. So this is my toy, so this will be a prize too. Yeah, it has this prize. So yeah, so let's try to play it. No, name it this for. So that thing, the first thing is this coin slaughter, and this is the coin rejection, and this is to go to the top and get a prize, and this is a prize that you were getting a prize. Yeah, so let's play it. So yeah, so I'm using a 10 cent of coin, so let's see if rejects or not. In here, just I'm gonna put in here, go there. Oh, it's rejects. So yeah, let's see a 25 centavos coin. Let's see. Oh no, it's rejects too. Let's see a 1 peso coin. Yeah, let's see. Go there. Oh, it's not reject. So yeah, so that is the 1 peso coin is the most thing that you want to get in there, because if it's not fitting there, so you will not get a prize. So yeah, so just tap this thing to get a prize. So yeah guys, I changed my position because I'm low battery and I have no flash, so missing a flash thing. And yeah, so let's see the prize in there. So I think it has no fountain price. So just sorry for that noise because I'm the our up second floor, and we get a Hello Kitty. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it falls in here in my yeah. Got Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. So I'm gonna show you my mechanism of this. So yeah. So this is the mechanism. Yeah. So yeah guys. So this coin, and this is the if you put your toys, yeah, and top this in the pond, it will oh my gosh, it's not falling. Oh, it falls in there and is getting there. So yeah, so it belongs to this thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the coin rejection. So this is the coin. Oh my gosh, this is the coin rejection. So let's see. If you put a small card, I'm using 10 centavos. So let's see what's happened. So yeah, go there. It falls in the coin rejection. Also, so it's in here. So yeah, guys, we're finished the 10 centimes. So I'm gonna go and just this thing to just 25 cents, and let's see if it rejects or not. So it's reject. Yeah, it's reject. So sorry for that dog. So because we don't have it, but just our neighbor's dog. And so this is the 1 peso coin. So let's see if so this is a big coin, so it's not reject. Oh, it's reject. Sometimes it feels like that because it's not a proper put a coin. So if you put, sometimes it feels it's just like that. So so there's the coin. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, that's for the video. So yeah, hope you have fun in this video, and just please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and don't forget to watch my other videos. And yeah, guys, and check my first channel. So it says here Rica's vending machine. That is my real name, and this is my username. Yeah, guys. So bye.